Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. On my right hand is our newest products is the region stylings, the refrigerators. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. The length of the unit is about like a 54 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like a 32 inches. And the overall height of the unit is about like 81.5 inches tall. So as we can see, the unit, they come with two swing doors at the front, also come with two lockers on it. At the bottom, we can see they do have a controller's mount here. So the compressor is at the bottoms, and on the back of the units, we have a covers of the fan, and they do having the 110 standard plugs from the manufacturers. And when we open the door, so we can see they do come with three shelvings on each of the side. And the height of the shelving is adjustable. Let me give the dimensions too. For the inner side, the length will be 49 inches wide. And for the height clearance, they also about like a 50.5 inches tall. And depth of the unit is about like a 25 inches deep. So as we can see the inner side, they come in with the ETL sanitation stickers on it and all the cost sheet informations. They also do having the 1 thermometer on side of the units. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.